One day in a green valley, there was a boy named Leo. Leo was 10 years old. He lived with his family on a small farm. The farm had chickens, 2 cows, 3 goats, and a big field of corn. Every morning, Leo helped his dad feed the animals. Every afternoon, he helped his mom pick vegetables. Leo had a best friend. His name was Ben. Ben lived on the next farm. The 2 boys played together every day after work. They ran in the fields. They climbed trees. They made small houses from sticks and leaves. One sunny Saturday, Leo and Ben went for a long walk. They walked past the river. They walked past the old bridge. They walked up a small hill. At the top of the hill, they saw something strange. There was an old wooden chest. It was covered with leaves and dirt. The chest looked very old. Leo said, "Look, Ben, what is that?" Ben said, "Let's open it." They cleaned the dirt away. They opened the chest slowly. Inside they found an old book with pictures, a small metal key, a blue bottle with something inside, a piece of paper with writing. Leo took the paper. He read slowly. "To the finder of this chest, this is a treasure map. Follow the map. Find the big oak tree with 3 marks, then walk 10 steps to the east. Dig there. You will find something special. Share it with others." The boys looked at each other. They were very excited. Ben said, "Let's find the treasure." They took the map, the key, the bottle, and the book. They started to follow the map. First, they walked down the hill. Then they crossed the small river on stones. Then they went into the big forest. The forest was dark and cool. Birds sang high in the trees. Squirrels ran fast on the branches. After 1 hour, they found the big oak tree. The tree was very tall and very old. On the trunk, there were 3 small marks. 1 mark was a circle. 1 mark was a star. 1 mark was a heart. Leo said, "This is the tree." Ben counted 1, 2, 3, 10 steps to the east. They walked 10 big steps. They stopped under some bushes. Leo said, "We need to dig." They found 2 strong sticks. They started to dig. The ground was soft. After some time, they hit something hard. It was a small wooden box. They took the box out. It was dirty, but strong. Leo used the small metal key from the chest. The key fit. He opened the box. Inside the box there were many old coins, but not gold, just old money, a beautiful necklace with a green stone, 4 small bags of seeds, a letter. Leo opened the letter. It said, "Dear Finder, these are not normal seeds. They are magic seeds. Plant them with love and care. Water them every day. In 1 year, you will have the best garden in the valley. The flowers will be big and colorful. The fruits will be sweet. Share the food with everyone who is hungry. That is the real treasure." The boys were surprised. Ben said, "Magic seeds? Really?" Leo said, "Let's try." They closed the box. They walked home with everything. They told Leo's mom and dad. They told Ben's family too. Everyone was happy and excited. The next day, all the families worked together. They made a big new garden near the 2 farms. They planted the 4 bags of seeds. They watered them every morning. They pulled out the weeds. They sang songs while they worked. Months passed. Spring came. Small green plants came out of the ground. Summer came. The plants grew tall. Big red tomatoes appeared. Yellow corn grew high. Orange carrots came up. Purple flowers opened everywhere. The garden smelled sweet. People from the valley came to see. They said, "This is the most beautiful garden." Leo and Ben gave vegetables and fruits to everyone. Old people, children, families with no food. No one went home with empty hands. 1 year later, the garden was even bigger. The magic seeds worked. The valley was full of happy people. Children played in the flowers. Families ate together outside. Everyone shared. Leo and Ben sat under the big oak tree one day. They looked at the valley. Leo said, "The real treasure was not the coins or the necklace." Ben said, "No, the real treasure is the garden and our friends and helping others." They smiled. They ate a sweet apple from their garden. The sun was warm. The birds sang, and the valley was a happy place forever. The end.